You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Phrase pronunciation from Spanish. A book name. Spanish pronunciation by Antonio de Morga. Sucesos de las Islas Filipinas. Sucesos or Sucesos de las Islas Filipinas. If you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, you can say it as Sucesos de las Islas Filipinas. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.